Let's arrange some gratitude and appreciation into every stems for our hardworking professionals. Hi everyone, it's Donald here. Welcome back to another fall adventure. Today I'm excited to share an arrangement specially for Administrative Professional Day. It is a celebration of hard work and dedication. Let's jump in and create something truly special. Here we have a frosted glass rectangular vase. They come in purple, green and pink. I prefer using a wire structure instead of tape or chicken wire to hold the flowers in place. It won't damage the container. I make this with aluminum wire and I just drop it in. And then you can start putting flower inside the vase. First, we will add some greenery like boxwood. Let's fill it up in here. Put on this side and this side. And then also Dusty Miller to give a little texture. After that, we will add some hydrangea, the mini green hydrangea, to add some color on the bottom. All look good. Then we will add the branches for the height and pussy willow too. So let's put it at the back and some at the front group. Give a little texture in it. And then after that we will add some hybrid lily on the top. And then put some at the front, put one. Give some space for them to open. And then we'll add hyacinth, pink hyacinth for the spring look. And then put one at the side. And then we'll add some yellow tulips on this side. Put one at the back. Perfect. Next, we will add some peachy pink roses. I believe this is shimmer roses, pink ostromeria, and mini Gerber daisy for the colors. Finally, we will put some permanent botanical stems and gorgeous wax flowers for the texture. This colorful arrangement is perfect for a desk or reception table to show appreciation for Administrative Professionals Day. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. For more fall inspirational video, please check the link below and the card pop up here. Until next time, happy arranging!